You guys ever see Randy Johnson hit a bird with a fastball?
What?
All right.
Are you gonna show us this?
It was a dove, everybody.
Yeah.
This is gonna make you sad, but it's unbelievable. It really is the most incredible thing to ever happen. Here we go. There it is. Boom. The crowd's like, wait, what? So here we go. Frame by frame. Let's take a look. And bird, bam. If he had 500,000 more attempts, he would never get that. And now I've officially known the days of 3 women. It wouldn't be the first time. Very good.
Exploded.
Yeah.
The feathers just... Woof.
The radio fam says, yes, it explodes. Chapa Harvey says, oh, yeah. David Dick says, don't look, Kira. And Cleve the Land says,